Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how you can buy books on Kindle. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Kindle app. And once you tap it open, you can simply get logged in into your account. So now once you're logged in, you will end up in the home page of your Kindle. So on the home page, you can select any of the book you want to buy and simply tap on that particular book. There you can find the buy now option. So simply tap on buy now and you will be redirected to this interface. So now simply type in your name of card and your card number, the expiration date, your CVV, and simply tap on add card. And if you have any gift card, simply type in your promo code as well and hit the apply button. Then simply tap on place your order. Once this process is completed, you can simply buy a book on Kindle. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.